Hello, and welcome to the Checkmarx instructional video session for installation of the Checkmarx plugin into Eclipse. In this session, we will learn how to install the Checkmarx plugin into Eclipse, and then how to review scan results and identify vulnerabilities right within the source code. Let's begin by taking the URL found on the Checkmarx page for the Eclipse plugin, copy and paste this within your Eclipse environment. Within the Eclipse environment, open the Help button and then install new software. Paste the URL in We have now finished the installation and will start the scanning process. Right-click on your project, go to CX Viewer, and choose Scan. Then enter CX Cloud for Server, your username and password. Choose a project name, description, preset for security settings for the scan. While scanning, you can let the program run in background and continue with your regular day's work. Once complete, the actual code viewer will open. The bottom right-hand corner shows a summary of found vulnerabilities. The bottom left corner shows a list of results for each vulnerability found. The top right side shows data flow for each result. And then on the left we have the actual code where the vulnerability is found within the code itself. By pressing on the Full Graph button, we're able to combine all of these views into one to get an overall understanding for how these vulnerabilities affect our code.